What's up, everybody? Hi. So, let me know which next Stray Kids album I should check out, or some maybe ideas for what you would want me to react to, and some long form video for Patreon. Suggestions are always welcome. So yeah, Thunderous. Haven't reacted to that as well. Got my wine. So. Okay, it sounds familiar. I've heard probably snippets of it somewhere. Calm the down, champion, please. I'm just starting this video, guys. I love him so much. Like, I'm in love with this. I already said I'm in love with his tongue, but I really am. It sounds bad, but I'm like in love the way he's able to do this. So good. I'm sorry. I'm already stopping. It just started. Sorry, but it was so good. It just tickles my brain and right. Oh. Woo! Oh, Chan? Okay, sir. You love to be naked. The nipple. The hair is so good, actually. Oh yeah, I definitely heard snippets of this. 100%. Oh, this outfit is so good, yes. So good. The bass in the song. I love why you mad, why you sad, why you tick tick tick. That's the little things.
Why you mad? Why you sad? Why you tick tick tick? I don't ban you. 얼레리 걸레리 멋있는 척들이 양진. 발끝 조찬도 따라오지 못해 여기는 팬들. 들어봐. 질투가 정말 쪽으로 지워놓고 버려. 기득함 악당 무리의 뜨거운 비가 돌아온 몸에 번져. 소문 날 군들의 모임에 쏟아지는 눈빛에 freezing cold, but I know we'll burn forever. 해보라는 태도는 여전히 하나를 내뱉지.
Isn't like a spit? Or am I tripping? Oh, that's so cool when they laugh with their hands.
날이면 날마다 오는 날이 아닌 오늘 소리꾼들이 왔어요. 원래 삐딱해 소리는 일단 백 맘에 안 들면 들 때까지 말 대답해. Final warning 당장 back up, press up, set up, break up. 하나를 내뱉지.
That is a spit. Poop, poop. This is such a cool music video song. I'm dirty. Whoa. Okay, listen, guys. That is such... Okay, so first of all, this song is amazing. The music video is cool. why am I can curse? I'm on Patreon. This song is so cool and the music video is cool. What a way to start the album. Because if that is the first song of the whole album, that is what a way to, like, you know, what's it called? What's that saying? Oh, I'm blanking out. What is the word? They're starting off on such a high plank for this album that I'm expecting now all the songs to be this amazing. Not the same, obviously, but on the same level. Like, what? Okay, I see it. I see it. Anyways, let's get to the second song. Thunderous, so good. Let's get to the second song. Sick with 2 S's.